This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Karen Kemmerer. Charming Lake Padden Craftsman set on Idyllic, sunny 0.5-acre lot with mature gardens and apple orchard. First time on the market in 40 years. Open floor plan creates a spacious feel in this 4-bedroom home. Wood floors / marmoleum throughout and peekaboo bay views from 2 of the upstairs bedrooms. Located on a private lane with a trail that takes you directly to Lake Padden and onto its larger trail system. Located in the coveted Southside school district. This special property combines the best of living in a classic farmhouse with the conveniences and amenities of Fairhaven just minutes away. For more information, review the details below or contact Karen Kemmerer at 360-303-8782.